Hey guys, what's going on? Joe here, 690ADV, 690ADV.com. Here is your tip in 2 minutes or less. I'll tell you what, when I am headed out on one of my moto adventures, one of the things that I always pack when I'm doing the adventure, I like to make sure that I have this one special tool. Yeah. The 7. This is a bow saw. It may not look like it, but this is a bow saw. This is great for harvesting wood whenever you are out on your trips. You cannot put a price on having to chop your wood up. Hatchets work pretty good if you buy a really good one, but this is very inexpensive. Down in the description if you want to pick one up. You undo this, pull it out. It basically clips into here, hooks up into here, turns into a bow saw. On screen, you're going to see the pictures. This thing is fantastic. It works great. It basically is a one-handed bow saw, and it works fantastic. I'm telling you, a must to put into your gear if you're doing motorcycle adventures. I'll tell you what, pick up one of these bow saws, whether you get it down in the description, we've already done the work for you, or you just go out and pick one up at, say, anywhere that they sell them. I think you can pick them up at Academy and some other local places like Bass Pros and stuff like that. But like I said, down in the description, this is the 7. It's a bow saw. It's fantastic. You can saw through that wood real fast. You'll have a fire in no time. That right there, the 7 bow saw, put that in your gear. That's your tip of 2 minutes less. You guys have a fantastic day.